Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to BCIS Computer Business Computer Application BCIS 1305 Summer 2 2023. Okay. This course introduce and develop the course introduces and develops foundational skills in applying essential and emerging business productivity information technology tools. The focus of this course is on the business productivity software application, including word processing, spreadsheet, databases, presentation graphics, data analytics, and business-oriented utilization of the internet. I like to make this larger so we can see better here. Hopefully it's better. All right. Okay. So welcome to the course. Okay. My name is My name is Robert Ho, and my email address is shusin2@southtexascollege.edu. My office is in Building M 149 Pecan Campus. So if you happen to be in the area, please stop by. And I usually in the office here in the morning, okay, because I have a face-to-face class and I have office hour also, right? My office hour is Monday through Thursday from 10:50 a.m. to 11:50 a.m. All right, through Discord application and face-to-face. Okay, so let me show you what is Discord application. Okay, in this course, student gonna use this Discord application, right? The installation, it show in the where is the installation, right? The installation is in the Blackboard. All right. So let me see what happened here. See here. How come I couldn't see the big picture here? Usually I see the people who are active here, right? So let me see. Anyway, the information how to set up the Discord, I will put that in the Blackboard. Okay, so this is what is Discord application. So let me close this, see if I can open again here. Discord. Okay. Here. Let me see. Okay. 3 voice channel. All right. So I'm gonna minimize this. All right. So for the purpose of course management, please communicate through Blackboard. Please communicate with me through Blackboard messages located in the middle, in the on the left hand panel of your Windows. Okay, let me show it to you here, right? It's actually not in the left hand panel. Here is in the middle, right? In the middle tab, right, of the Windows. Click here, and I'm gonna send you guys all email. So here I'm gonna type all student, right? I have 25 or more, so I'm gonna put here please send me your contact info in case an instructor need to speak to student, right? Sometimes I do call, right? So if it's urgent or important, then I may need to speak to student. So I have your contact info. Also, please send me your contact info in case an instructor need to speak to student. Also, update it in the JACnet system, right? Because if you don't have up-to-date information, it would be difficult for the school to contact you, right? So I'm gonna send here. So reply me through here. Okay. So if you want to send me an email, you can click here too and look for my name, right? You can also communicate with your other classmate here, right? All right. Next one, right? Program learning outcome. Let's go over the syllabus. Oh, before I go to that section, as academic concerns arise between the STC student and faculty member, the student should first discuss the matter with the faculty member during the faculty member's office hour. So if you have any concern or issue, please speak or communicate to me first, right? If the matter is not resolved, then the student may discuss the matter with the program chair, which is my supervisor. His name is Said Malki. Okay. So let's talk about the course learning outcome here. We have many of them, maybe about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 9 course learning outcome. Let me briefly state a few of them to you, right? The first one is describe the fundamentals of information technology concept, such as hardware, software, security, and privacy. Second course learning outcome is to demonstrate proper file management techniques to manipulate electronic files and folder in local, network, and online environments, right? Then we have the third one, create business document with word processing software using spelling and grammar check, format and layout tables, citation, graphics, and mail merge. So this one is the third learning outcome, right? Using word processing. Then we use a spreadsheet program. After that, we use presentation software, right? And then database and so on, right? So please read that for the sake of the time. I just highlight the important items to the student. So please download this syllabus and read it carefully, right? Download, print, and read the content carefully, especially this one, right? Because in each of the courses that students take at STC, you will find the CLO, which is course learning outcome. Okay, this is basically the type of material that you will learn throughout the semester. Okay, so let me scroll down. We have required core objective, right? We have 4 of them: critical thinking skill, communication skill, empirical and quantitative skills, and personal responsibilities. Okay. Core objective matrix, I think you can read that. So let's go to the course requirement. Course requirement, attendance, and classroom policy. Okay. Since this is an online course, I would suggest that student at least log into Blackboard 3 to 4 times a week, because normally this class is 16 weeks. Normally we have this class for 16 weeks, and now the material is must be completed in 4 weeks. Therefore, it's kind of a compress, right? It's a compress and it's very fast and furious. So what I would suggest you, please schedule a time or manage your time carefully, okay? So because this class has a lot of things to cover, right? And we have many assignments. And this assignment is set up by the department. So we need to complete that according to their department policy, right? Normally, students need to spend average about 8 to 12 hours per week, right? Per week. So I would suggest you do the assignment Monday for 2 hours, Tuesday for 2 hours, Wednesday for 2 hours, and Thursday for 2 hours. Okay, maybe Friday you can just do review if you like, right? But do not try to do all the work on one Saturday. This will be too much for you, and student will get fatigued, and tired, and sometimes burn out too. So I don't want student experience that. So please log into Blackboard and do assignment regularly. Make sure you have the time and commitment, right? Make the time and commitment. Okay, set a regular time to work on the assignment. Okay, because summer is kind of very short. Okay, so let's scroll down, right? Please read this course requirement, right? Attendance and classroom policy, especially the student handbook, right? Please read that, right? Go to this website and read the student of conduct, right? Student code of conduct, and also about the plagiarism or cheating, right? Make sure you read that section. Okay. Let me scroll down. Okay. Assignment. Let's go to the assignment section. Major assignment and examination. We have two exams, right? The midterm and final exam, right? Midterm consists of basic computer skills, computer basic, and window basic. Right? So there are three items there. Basic computer skill, computer basic, and window basic. Then on the final, we have internet basic, email basic, and online internet safety. So we have two exams throughout the semester, right? And we have 4 skill tests: PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and Access test. So we have 4 skill tests. Before students do this Word skill test or Office skill test, I will give you a handout throughout the semester. You see this handout? There are 4 categories, right? Throughout the semester, we will do about 15 handouts. So 15 handouts for 4 weeks. So each week we're gonna have maybe about 3 to 4 handouts, right? So again, as I mentioned to you, we have a lot of material to cover. So your time management is very important, right? Your time management, okay? And don't get behind, because if you get behind 1 or 2 days, that means you're behind a lot of assignment there, okay? So we have this office skill test and then hands out. We have 4 skill tests and more or less about 15 handout, okay? We will do research paper. Research paper is a group project. I'm gonna assign you a group. I'm going to assign you 3 or 4 person in the group, okay, about the research paper. This is the only group assignment. The rest is individual. Then we have office integration and assignment and discussion. Maybe we have about 5 or 6 assignment or discussion, right? So this is pretty much that we're gonna cover throughout the semester in 4.5 weeks, right? 4.5 weeks, okay? Okay, so what type of resources we are going to use? Let's go to the textbook first, right? Where we get all the information, right? The department will use an open educational resources, OER. That means it's free for student and public to use the content for educational purpose. So I'm going to click here. The name of the resources is called gcfglobal.org. So I'm going to click here, right? Okay, I don't think I want to click this one. Let's just right click, copy this link, right? Copy this link, and then I'm gonna be there, right? Okay, here we go, GCF Global. So what are the course material that we're gonna use? We're gonna use this resources called GCF Global, thanks to the Habitat of Humanity, because they are the one who sponsor and that made this possible for us to use and the public, right? So if you go to technology, so these are all the material, right? This is the lab, which is Office 2016, and the computer concept, right? Computer concept like email, internet, computer basic here. Are we gonna use all of them? No, but we're gonna use some of this from here. So basically in this course, you will learn 2 items. One is Office 2016 consists of Word, Access, PowerPoint and Excel. Then we are going to learn computer concept. This is the theory about that. Okay. All right. So if you ask me what is the material here, gcfglobal.org. All right. Okay. So these are the textbook and resources, right? The grading criteria, here is the grading criteria. As I mentioned to you, we have 2 exams, right? We have 2 exams, 10% each. We have quizzes and practice question. I would call it practice question, right? Practice question, discussion, and assignment. This is 10% each. So if I add all of this, is 40% already. And this is a group project. Research is 10%. The skill lab and the skill test is 20 and 20%, right? That's 40%. And the last one is office integration. When we integrate Word, PowerPoint, Access, and Excel all together, right? So this is the grading criteria. So if you ask me, what is the grading criteria for this class? Well, this is the grading criteria, right? So each time that student complete the assignment, I will put grade next to this. Okay. Please download this one and print it. Download, print, and review this carefully. All right, because everything about the course is in the syllabus. The topic online. This is a tentative schedule. Okay. All weekly activities start Wednesday, every Wednesday, and end the following Tuesday. So, for example, on the first week it's going to start from July 12th, right? We're gonna start on July 12th. Let me see on my calendar. July 12th on Wednesday and finish the following Tuesday, which is July 18th, right? And then week 2 start on July 19th, which is Wednesday, and finish week 1 start July 12th to 18, and then week 2 start from July 19th, Wednesday, through July 25th, which is Tuesday, right? So you have about a week to complete assignment here. Okay, so you have about a week to complete assignment. So here, as you can see, that this is tentative schedule, right? We may adjust or adapt to change a little bit if we need it to fit the summer schedule. Okay, because we have many items to complete throughout the semester. All right, so here, week 1. You have week 2, week 1 continue, week 1 continue, and week 1 continue. Then we have week 2, right? In the blackboard, this is the way I organize this, right? As you can see that I have week 1 continue, week 1 continue, and week 1 continue. We have 4 folder, right? And then I go to week number 2, right? Week 2, we have 4 folder as well. No, 3, right? 4. 1 continue, week 2 continue, week 2 continue, and continue, right? The research paper information is in here, right? So student can go to this folder and click it, right? Click this here, right? All right, so this one, right? This is the research paper information. Also, weekly live lecture. I also have a weekly live lecture here. Weekly live lecture, right? So students are advised to go to this weekly live lecture. I post this every week at YouTube, right? What else I'm gonna cover in this, right? I think that's basically about it, right? Please take time to familiarize yourself with the Blackboard and the course content here, okay? If you have any questions, please free to email me or call me through these Blackboard messages, or you can call me as well. So let me see what else I need to cover. Well, the rest of the information I would like you to read on your own, right? For the because we have a limit, so I can make this video orientation short and to the point. So the rest of this information, please read this on your own, okay? Well, hopefully that this video is informative to you, and hope you have a good days or weekend and enjoy your summer, and good luck. Thank you very much. Bye bye.